Hello everyone and welcome to this update video for the Sparkle course. As today the developer released the version 1.2 of Sparkle with a lot of little elements that were added, also some fixes and bugs, but one important thing is the add Facebook button integration. If you watch the video in order, you have seen the Twitter already. So for this social framework, we have the Twitter timeline, and now we have the Facebook. So for this, I'm just gonna take right here. I got lazy, I took a little screenshot of Chris' website. I'm gonna put this guy background. That's actually a good time to use those little guys on the top or too. Since the version 1.2 we have those elements that were added on the top. As a little shortcut, it's easier to go reach up there and always go inside that menu and go backward, forward. So now we have those backward, forward right there. Okay, let's go back to Facebook. Facebook, how does it work? First we need to input a URL of a page we want to like. I do not own a page, so I'm just gonna use this one again. Gonna copy this and paste right there. Gonna press enter and you're gonna see our button is getting in shape. Let's go to the preview. Okay. So the Facebook button, the like and the share. The like is already done since I like the page already. I have my profile pictures and all of my friends. I don't have any friends who are coding anyway. We can show and hide those profile pictures too, and we can actually hide the share button too if you just want to do a like button alone. We can also change the like into a recommend if you wish to recommend the page to someone else, or you have different options too, like right there on the top. You can do a like box, share, a send, and a follow. So instead of having a like, people might prefer to say follow. Let's skip the profile picture. So let's go in order. We have the like, we saw the like. We have the like box, which is a little bit bigger. My mouse decided to work on his own tonight. Okay, the like box, which is a bit bigger than the like button, but we can see this very often on some website. We just decided to remove the picture if you want to make it smaller. Can show the post. Let's just select everything to see the difference. There it is. This is very similar to the Twitter one. We can directly share and like from that little embedded window. So I'm just going to make it shorter. Let's make it darker, which we do not see. Okay, so the difference between the dark and the light is that one. Couldn't see with the background, but if we have something dark on the background, we just switch the color and it's going to be more visible. Instead of having this, where we can barely see the text of the "you like this." Okay, let me put it back down here. And let's check the share button. This is just a share with a count. You're free to remove the count too if you want. You can just do a count, right, button only, icon and link, icon only and link only, and the send instead of like, a send, and a follow button. So 1.2 has a new integration, which is Facebook, with 5 different options. Just the URL you need, different layout. And if I go back to the basic like, you can have a tracking, which is right here on the documentation that I'm going to list below the video, you can read some description, some information about how to use the tracking. But for this you need analytic software, and I do not have this since I do not have a page for myself. Okay, a lot of little items that were added to the version 1.2. Facebook, which is a big one for the social part of Sparkle. We have here this menu that was redesigned, and also a good little option that some people might enjoy is the show on this device, so you're free to hide and display some different elements depending on the device. Okay, so feel free to play around with the new feature and add your Facebook to your page, and you're good to go. We'll see you next time.